Welcome to a new threshold. The Crosby Group is a worldwide leader in rigging, handling hardware, and lifting equipment technology for a reason. Our trustability. Airpes joins the Crosby Group family with a new site, developed to respond to and anticipate future market needs.
Kito Crosby is a leading player in innovative lifting solutions, with over 4,000 employees globally and 60 sites. We are so happy to have Airpes as part of our family with market-leading lifting tools for the wind energy and industrial markets.
This is a lean, state-of-the-art production plant with technical and commercial areas to provide integral solutions.
The new site allows us to enter in a new stage for the company, with an improved flow along the most advanced lean manufacturing techniques provided by the Crosby Group and all the Airpes experience. This will allow us to improve the quality and safety along the ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and ISO 3834 certifications, providing us a more efficient way of working. With this, we will exploit the APQP for wind methodology for the most demanding tools of the market, whether for the onshore, offshore, or manufacturing. We estimate faster, more efficient, and higher quality for the future needs of the production of the company.
Quality is not just a word. Quality is the way we understand work. From the design to the manufacturing, from the idea to the delivery. We pay attention to detail at every level in the entire process. Our solutions are involved in critical projects that entail a high level of responsibility, innovation, and technical leadership. The unwavering focus on safety encompasses manufacturing and beyond. We support our customers with predictive maintenance, certifications, on-site and remote training.
The new factory is the next step of the last 20 years of growth. We are active in more than 80 countries and almost 20 distributors worldwide. The continuous improvement in our products and the commitment with quality and safety are the core values of Crosby Airpes.
Our engineering and manufacturing heritage is the result of a culture of talent, flexibility, and passion. The commitment of the Crosby Airpes team to satisfying our customers' expectations makes the difference.
Personally, I can only express my gratitude. What this facility means to me is a great milestone in my professional life. Today, we face the future with the stability that the Crosby Group family gives us.
Lifting your world.